Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Royal Match Record settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we go to this page of Royal Match and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. You search about a Royal Match. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and